This is Forrest and Fynn, ready for our first camping adventure. Passing this to Fynn.
Check out the way and let's see the beautiful day. Let's get to work, everybody.
Okay, so we're heading up to Beaver Creek, currently in Sholo right now. Stopped to get a couple supplies, and then we're going off. So I'm going to pass you to Fynn, and then we're going to sign off until we get to camp.
So, enjoy the ride.
Hey everybody, we have made it to our camp.
Finally!
Finally, it took us a while. And I'm sad to say that the place we wanted to stay on Beaver Creek had somebody in here. The only spot that was taken the whole way up was the one we wanted to go to. Maybe tomorrow they'll leave and we'll get it. But we've got a nice spot here. We got our gas grill. We're gonna make some macaroni and cheese. We got this cool little meadow that we're gonna get a chance to see in the morning. And as you can see, it's a beautiful sunset.
The rest is just really trees.
Lots of trees. We got lots of adventures. Big adventures tomorrow. Fynn doesn't even know all the adventures because I've got some secrets and surprises. What those will be, time will tell. But tonight, macaroni and cheese. Sit around the fire, probably cook a marshmallow or two, and go from there.
Like chicken, 3,000 marshmallows.
All right, let's start camping. Good morning, folks. It's day one, and we're out hiking. It's pretty windy here, so if you hear a lot of wind, that's just the breeze blowing. But it's beautiful. Not too hot, not cold. Perfecto.
It's cold for me.
Nah. You can see a little bit about where we camped. But the birds are singing. We're gonna go see if we can find a horny toad.
What the?
We'll catch you in a bit.
You.
Tell them where we are.
We are at the big lake and we are going fishing.
What do you got in your hands?
Worms.
We got worms.
Worms.
Let's take a look over here at the big lake.
I want to go down.
Yep.
Right now. I just walk down.
You gotta carry something other than your worms. It's a beautiful day at Big Lake. We're gonna see if we can catch something here.
Hope this one is not messing.
All right, the worm is on the hook. He's ready to go. Nice throw. Can you see your bobber out there?
Nope. I see it. Okay, I need to have sight of it.
Get blown away. Worm's still on the hook.
Got something at least.
All right, roll it up. Give it another cast.
I got something, Dad. I got nothing.
All right, leave it out there. Get another good cast out there. Whoa.
It got
All right, hold on. Hold this.
Is the worm okay? The worm seems to be
It's
dead.
recording right now, so film something.
I'm filming you. I'm filming the water.
All right. Hand off the...
Again?
Reel it back in.
Oh! I caught something!
There you go.
Don't feel any bites.
Well, it's going to take maybe a minute or two.
Oh. I reel it in.
Well, it's your fish. You're fishing. I'm going to get mine ready.
Okay. Is the worm still detached? Where is this thing? Okay. Get up here. The worm! It's still up there! The worm is still up
Don't be bloated. Nice, good one. All right.
See you in a little bit, guys.
What'd you say, bud?
Then you get the goldfish that is in the car, and I will be just standing right here.
You want what?
Goldfish.
Goldfish?
To feed him.
You got him trapped in the corner?
Oh yeah.
Are you done fishing?
Yeah. I want to hunt this little guy. I want to pet him.
Folks, it is about 20-mile-an-hour winds maybe out here. Fynn is now on the hunt for a chipmunk
Or a squirrel.
as opposed to the fish. It is windy. Woo! Have to come out in the morning when it's not blowing 40 mile an hour.
Then you get the goldfish.
Man. Pretty but pretty windy. We've now moved over to a new section. We are on the east fork of the Black River.
I fell it 2 times.
Finn's fallen in twice. Let's show you what we're hunting though. We're gonna find you a mud bug.
We found 2 dead ones, and let's show you guys the one that we found dead. And oh,
There's a bunch of ones that are alive over here.
and well, kind of forgot where.
It's hard to see maybe, but there's all kinds of little fishies swimming around.
Dad, where did the one that was all in peace? Hey Dad, it's your turn. You try and get one.
Alright, let's find us a mud bug.
There, I found one. Under that rock. Right
Where's the mud bug?
there. Where my shadow is pointing. See him?
Oh, he's right there. Let's see if we can make this guy come out. There he is.
There's one on top of the rock. See where my shadow's pointing?
Oh. In here?
No.
In here?
Yeah. See it? It's a skin pot.
Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, it's a skin pot. Like I said, it was skin. And what the heck is wrong with that rock? It's all furry.
It's got algae on it.
You say algae? I'm killing this. Killing this rock. You say algae. Rock.
Oh, why'd you do that to that portal? Well, we're back at Beaver Creek. It's been a pretty nice day today, so we had a chance. We went all the way out to Big Lake, which was super windy. Too windy to even really try to fish. Had some technical problems, although we did have worms this time, and I was confident we were going to finally get some, but it was way too windy to fish. There were squirrels to chase anyway. We then went down to the Black River there, hit the East Fork, so that was nice. Splashed around, chased some mud bugs. And now we're back here at our favorite spot. And I should say earlier, Fynn asked me what made this spot special and why it was special. And it was a good question because my dad and I and my whole family have camped in a lot of spots here up in the White Mountains. The truth is, I guess what makes it special is the people and the memories that you have there. This isn't overly unique, I guess, in terms of spot, but it's a spot that we clamped on, so I'm glad that we did. Every time I go here, I remember the good times that we had, all the cookouts, all the fun, and all that other stuff. So I guess that's what makes it special. It's those pieces. So hopefully he finds this spot to be special as he grows up as well. And tomorrow, we're going to do a little climb. We're going to hike up. We're going to go right there to that outcropping of rocks. We're going to go check out something special. In the meantime, it's time to relax for a little bit, play some camp games, and then head in for the night. All right, Fynn, tell them what we found.
We found bees mating.
Yeah, there's all kinds of little bees out here. Let's see if we can see them.
So you see those holes? Those are bees in them. Look at my shadow. So those holes have bees in them. And look at, there's a bee right there.
Yep.
Getting attacked.
So we just watched a show on TV not too long ago that talked about how bees
Mate.
will come out and mate.
And they dig holes to stay safe.
We saw these little holes in the ground yesterday, and this morning when we came out here, the bees are out getting busy.
Finding a mate.
Pretty neat.
Hey, people who's watching this, the guy who's filming actually had a bee mate.
Alright. Oh, we'll leave them to their business. Well, we're at the Blue Lookout. got Mount Trumbull, Mount Graham out there in the distance. We walk over to this side. This is looking over into New Mexico. Looks like they got a pretty big fire there. I think that tallest mountain is Whitewater Baldy, about 10,000 feet. So there's a fire over there in New Mexico. Hopefully it doesn't burn too much. This country's been burned enough. But it's another beautiful day out. We are at Double Ciénaga. So Fynn and I drove up to Double Ciénaga to check it out. This is a favorite spot where we've done a lot of camping. It's changed a bit up here since the fires, and it doesn't look like as many people camp up here as before. There's a few spots, but most of the other stuff is overgrown or washed out. As you can see, the fire really done something here. Lots of little pines growing. The forest is growing back. I'm guessing when the kids are grown and they come out here, it'll be back to the way it was, and I hope they get to enjoy it as much as I have. So, but today is beautiful. Tell people where we are.
I don't want to.
Hi folks, we're at Acre Lake. I didn't know this was the name of the lake. Fynn sees birds in there diving for fish. So we got our fishing pole. And we're gonna head out there and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. Let's go over to the side over here and we'll go check it out. All right guys, let's go catch a fish. Wait, no, further down. Let's go. Remember where we saw that one jumping? Yep. You can stand right down there on that dirt.
Are you coming?
Yep, I'm right here. But I'm not going to stand right next to you because I don't want to get oofed with a fishing rod. Throw it over your head and out towards... Nice.
I see a dead fish. Does it get any? I don't feel anything looking at it. I think if we just wait long enough, we're gonna get a first bite. Dad, get yours ready.
That's a noisy bird. Oh, did you see that one jump out there?
Well, some glad morning when this life is o'er, I'll fly away to that home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. shadows of this life have gone, I'll fly away. Just like a bird from prison bars of flown, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory.
Okay, guys, we're all packed up. We had a great camp. Finn, how many stars did you give this?
8 stars.
8 stars out of
10.
10. Oh, wow. We'll have to do better next time, I guess. Kat, how many stars did you get it?
2.
Kat gave it the other 2 stars. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 stars.
Wait, dog.
Oh, yeah. Is there Puppy? Puppy wants to give it?
20 out of 20.
Nice. Okay, guys. It's been another fun camp out at Beaver Creek. Hope you had fun coming along the ride with us. It's time to go home.
Do you want me to turn it to you?
If you want.
Dad. Make sure you had a fun day with us at camp.
Record this spot so that Aunt Charlie and Uncle Vance can see what it looks like with their big trailer.
You like what I said? If you want to meet us, come to Beaver Creek.
Mm-hmm. I don't know that I want a bunch of people meeting us, though.
Maybe.
You don't like having a lot of people around you normally, let alone a bunch of strangers just showing up and saying, hey, saw your video, it said, come meet us. Then what are we gonna do?
I'm fine with subscribers.
I'm not. Who knows who those people are?
You know, we can put like a text that says 1 person at a time.
How will they know it's only one person?
You just say it. Only 1 person at a time if you come.